Hello to all the food-loving souls of Cooking Tips 5S. Just look at this pancake. Soft, fluffy, jiggly when you break it apart, airy like a little cloud. Can you believe it? This is restaurant-style pancake perfection, and we can absolutely make it at home with just one pan. With only 2 eggs and 1 pan, do you believe I can create these sweet little clouds? Turn on the stove and make it with me right now. First, prepare 2 very clean and completely dry bowls for me. Carefully crack the eggs and separate the yolks into one small bowl, while the whites go into a large glass bowl. Be gentle here, handle the shells carefully, because if the yolks break, the whole thing is doomed. Now let's deal with the yolk bowl first. Pour in a little full cream milk, then whisk until everything is nicely combined. Next, pour in the bowl of oil from earlier, then keep whisking until the mixture is fully blended. And here comes the secret to pancakes as smooth as baby skin. Take a sieve, pour the flour into it, and gently tap so the flour falls into the yolk mixture. Sifting it like this means it will never turn lumpy when you mix it later. Stir well until it becomes a thick, glossy golden batter, then set it aside. Now for the star of the show, the bowl of egg whites. Bring out the hand mixer and start on low speed until the whites turn foamy and white. When you see the bubbles forming, add a spoonful of white sugar. Then increase the speed and beat away until the whites become stiff and fluffy. Keep going until you can lift the whisk and the peaks stand tall and proud without flopping over. That's your sign of glorious success. Now it's time to bring these 2 mixtures together. Scoop 1 big spoonful of meringue into the yolk batter, then stir it in enthusiastically to loosen up the yolk mixture a little. After that, pour the entire yellow mixture back into the bowl of egg whites. Using a spatula, fold from the bottom up very gently, as if you're handling something precious. If you mix too roughly, all the air will disappear, and the pancakes won't rise later. Once the batter is done, it should look beautifully airy and fluffy. Take a piping bag, place it inside a tall cup to keep it steady, then scrape every last bit of batter into the bag. Place a non-stick pan on the stove. Add just a tiny bit of oil. Then take a folded paper towel and wipe it evenly across the pan's surface. This way, the pancakes won't soak up grease, but the outside will still turn beautifully golden. Pick up the piping bag and pipe round mounds of batter into the pan. Make sure to pipe them in 2 layers, stacked on top of each other, so the pancakes turn out tall, plump and beautiful. And here comes the final secret. Drip a few drops of water into the empty spaces in the pan, then immediately cover it with a glass lid. The steam will help the pancakes cook through and puff up beautifully. After about 3 to 4 minutes, lift the lid and use a spatula to flip them over. Oh wow, the bottoms are perfectly golden and the pancakes are jiggly and adorable. If you've made it this far and you're already swallowing hard, drop the words "absolutely amazing" in the comments so Cooking Tips 5S knows. And don't forget to give me a like to cheer me on.